Hey guys, how are you? Mr. Argueta coming to you here, week number 2. So we got a couple themes that we're going to be working on, chapter 3 and chapter 5. So be careful. Make sure you only work on what's in each week's folder. So this is week number 2, and we're working on chapters 3 and 5. Our discussion this week is diversity. In your own words, tell me what that means, what it means, and what's the benefit in being diverse. Like, I do several corporate trainings for diversity, mainly how to take advantage of a diverse workforce. And by taking advantage, I mean like using it appropriately, being able to extract value out of the diversity in a business environment. So I'm interested in hearing your perspective of it. Tell me, share your stories with your benefits of it and all that good stuff. um, so last week, of course, was our introduction week, and I am reading through all of your introductions. I appreciate all the participation. I encourage you to do it early, get it over with, and we can move on, and no issues in being late in anything. You know, I do not accept late work, so please be careful with that. Um, we, as mentioned, do not have a midterm nor a final in this class, so make sure that you are getting as many points as possible in the other assignments, because that's the opportunities to make the points up. Um, Today, guys, I have myself a little cappuccino. I have a little, you can tell right behind my, right there. That's a frother. It warms up my milk or creamer, whatever type of cream you have, and it froths it, makes it foamy. And then I use my espresso machine right there to make myself a good double shot of espresso, and that's what's got me going this afternoon. It is Monday 2:10. It's getting cold out there, so guys, please stay warm. But for the most part, this week's been good. Over the weekend, I went with my family to Greenville, South Carolina, for a festival called a Fall for Greenville Fest. A bunch of food and microbreweries and a bunch of just great stuff. It was bands, and it was just great. Just a bunch of, amazing little shops that sell their little whatever their specialty is. Indian food, Spanish food, Latin flavors, burgers, pizza, all the different type of just food. So it was great. I had a great time with my wife and my son. My daughter couldn't make it, but it was a wonderful time. So we got back yesterday, and I want to get this video out to you because tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday, I'll be in outside trainings that I have to conduct. So won't have a lot of time. And we have started registration for spring. So if you haven't made an appointment with your advisor, do so as soon as possible. Other than that, week number 3 is right around the corner, so this class goes by very, very fast. And next thing you know, we're in the break for our winter break. So, guys, if you need me, you know how to get a hold of me. If you don't, or if you're in the Dalton area and want to stop by the office, come on in. We'll have a cup of coffee and discuss whatever you want. So, guys, take care. We'll talk soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.